Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to see a review for PennyMac. PennyMac is one of the largest mortgage lenders in the United States, known for competitive rates and a focus on government-backed loans. Let's dive into the reasons to consider them along with some areas to be aware of. Pros: competitive rates. PennyMac regularly offers rates slightly lower than the market average, making them an attractive choice for budget-conscious borrowers. Focus on FHA, VA, and USDA loans. If you are looking for a specific government-backed mortgage program, PennyMac specializes in this and can guide you through the process. Lock and shop. Their rate lock features lets you secure a rate for up to 90 days while shopping for homes, with the option to switch to a lower rate if available before closing. Technological convenience. PennyMac's online tools allow you to get customized rate quotes and track your loan application. Their mobile app is also highly rated for managing your mortgage. After closing cons, higher than average fees. While their rates may be lower, PennyMac origination fees tend to be a bit higher than some other lenders. No home equity products. If you're interested in a home equity loan or a home equity line of credit HELOC, you will need to look elsewhere. Primarily online phone-based, PennyMac lacks the brick and mortar locations of many lenders. If you strongly prefer face-to-face banking, this might not be the ideal fit. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.